Welcome to my channel. I'm Anne, the home bartender. I'm new to Irish whiskey. I think it's a good place to start before possibly trying Scottish whiskey. So let's give you the ingredients for the cocktail called the Irish Maid. Ingredients are coming up next. You will need 2 1/4-inch slices of cucumber, 2 ounces of Irish whiskey, a 1/2 ounce of St. Germain, 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, and we're going to garnish today with a cucumber slice. I'm using Tullamore Irish whiskey today. It's finished in Caribbean rum casks and it's almost got like a rum type quality to it. Admittedly, it's what I have, so that's what I'm using today for the Irish Maid Cocktail. So let's get going. We're gonna start with 2 1/4-inch slices of cucumber, and I'm gonna muddle that. And then let's get 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, then 1/2 ounce of St. Germain. Next we got 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. All right, so let's get 1 big piece of ice. I'll get a smaller one in there too. I'm also gonna add a piece of ice to my glass over here, and let's shake this up. Okie doke. So I'm gonna strain this. Get it in the glass. You could double strain this if you wanted to, but I don't mind the little pieces actually in this cocktail. And then let's garnish with a cucumber wheel. And that is an Irish Maid. All right, let's give this a taste. I've only had it once before, so I'm curious to try it again. Ooh, that's nice. It's really refreshing. It's subtle. It's really smooth. It's like an Irish lemonade, I guess. The lemon is on the back of my tongue a little bit, but it's not at all overwhelming. I do get a little tiny bit of that St. Germain, which is really nice. It kind of softens that whiskey a bit. That profile of the whiskey might be overpowering that St. Germain a little bit. It could come through, I guess, a little bit more if it was a different style of Irish whiskey. But overall, it's very lovely. I think you should give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. That'll do it for today. See you next Friday, and I'll make another great cocktail with you. Oh, by the way, I would really appreciate it if you checked out the other 50, 60 videos I have on this station. There's lots of bourbon cocktails, tons of great rum cocktails, and you know I love gin. Check it out. See you next time. Be well.